Mark your baby girl or baby boy's milestones and highlights throughout baby's first year with Pearhead's customizable All About Baby Chalkboard. Includes space to fill in baby's name, stats, likes and dislikes. Includes 4 pieces of colored chalk: white, green, pink and blue. Note: we highly recommend cleaning the chalk off the board after each use. Do not use chalk markers with this board as it could stain. Do not use chalk marker. This About Baby Chalkboard is the perfect gender-neutral addition to your baby nursery. Add it to your baby shower registry or give this to a new or expecting mother in your life. Dimensions: 18W x 22H x 0.13D. Top reviews from the United States. Great record of baby's progress. Bought for our daughter and son-in-law to use. They love it and have already filled the board in and set it up beside their 3-month-old daughter, then photographed her. Wanted to get a board like that when I saw our American niece using one every month beside her baby. Fun and a great record of baby's progress.